Hi, welcome to Orbit Audio Blogs. This is my third blog, I guess. Today I am at 136.1 Yoga Studio, Alvarpet, Chennai. So I've been associated with the Yoga Studio for almost 15 years now, close to 14-15 years. So today we are doing a Krishna Jayanti program. Of course, I've got my DM3 and my laptops, and today I also have my TP-Link router so that I can connect to my airport, and I can be wherever comfortable. And on the mics we have a couple of Shores and SM58 and 57, as well as Behringer for chorus. And for the monitor we are using Bose S1 Pro as a monitor, so it works great as a monitor. It sounds very sweet. So this is the setup today, and mostly I'll be somewhere over there, and I'll be using my iPad and mixing. So this is the setup today. Catch you in another event. Thank you. Bye bye.